Alright, so let's replace a Moen shower valve cartridge. Let's start with shutting down the water to the house and bleeding out the system. So open up the hose bib. So now here you're going to want to grab an Allen wrench key, remove the small little set screw that's located inside this handle. There's a small little opening where the Allen wrench is going to fit. And yeah, just remove the handle. It probably will be kind of hard to remove, especially if it's the first time you remove the handle. Sometimes it just gets really stuck from the hard water. Now right here, what you want to do is grab a Phillips screwdriver, which is going to be the one with the little cross, and remove this screw. Once you have removed the screw, just remove that little black piece and the little white piece. Make sure to leave that little white piece in the same position that it's in, and then just remove everything off the valve. Now, removing this clip is very important. This is what holds the cartridge in place. Remove it. Now, you may have to remove the plate that's sitting up against the shower wall in order to gain access to it. Now, this tool that I have in my hand is the Moen puller that I'll be using. You can actually purchase this at Home Depot, Lowe's. I'm sure you could probably order it on Amazon, and it does come with instructions on how to use it. Yeah, just follow the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you're going to be purchasing a Moen puller, I highly recommend purchasing a Ona Premier puller. That's probably the best puller you can purchase, but that is also more expensive. Now, once the cartridge puller is set up, all you need to do is pull and twist, and the cartridge should just come right out. I got lucky. Normally they do not come out this easily. Here's the new cartridge that will be installed. I know this is the Home Depot brand, but it works just as good as the Moen branded cartridge. Make sure that you install the grease that comes with this cartridge. It's going to be very important. It'll help prevent the cartridge from sticking inside of the shower valve in a couple years when you need to replace it. Now, before you install this cartridge, pay very close attention to how you install it. It has these little letters, H and C. H for hot, C for cold. Hot, at least if you live here in the United States, is on the left side, so make sure the H is on the left side. Make sure you do not push on the brass part, so the little brown yellowish part, do not push that piece in, because then the cartridge is not going to sit correctly. Once you have it in place, just give it a wiggle. Once the cartridge is seated in place, grab the little clip that holds the cartridge in place and reinstall the clip. You should feel it at the bottom of the shower valve, so just run your finger through it and you should feel it. Now, before you reinstall the handle on the shower valve, you will notice on the stem of the cartridge some lines on them. One side will have 2 lines or 2 grooves, and then the other side will actually have 1 line or 1 groove. Make sure that when you install the handle that the 1 groove sided is facing up. Now, if you've made it this far into my video, please consider liking the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Liking and subscribing helps my channel a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them, or you could give us a phone call. Once you've reinstalled the new cartridge and reinstalled the handle back onto the shower valve, just come back out here, close the hose bib, and turn the water back onto the house. Now it's time to check our work, and everything should be working how it used to be. And you may have a little bit of air in the line. That's normal. Just leave the water running and the air will eventually go away. And I want to thank you for staying and watching the whole video. If you've made it this far, please consider giving my video a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. And once again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or give us a call. Thank you.